In your opinion, that is.
In my opinion, I'll first off say they've all worked like extremely well. The deserving one, I think it's all ringing a bell in our head, right? Yeah. You know?
It's all ringing the bell. KMJ, come closer to me. Don't be afraid, my brother. I still love you.
Now, where you going?
As a media personality, who comments on these issues, give me your perspective on if Stonebwoy tonight gets a three-peat, or if like in the media landscape.
That would be very, very, very interesting because, you know, Kim Promise is actually doing this for the second time or third time or so. Last year, we were expecting that he would have picked up the award. It never happened. If Stonebwoy does pick this award, then it means that he cemented his name in the history of the Ghanaian Music Awards. And so, yes, that would be a lot for all of us to talk about. But I think all of them deserve it. They work so hard. And if it happens to any of them, well, I'll be sitting in the TV station studio and still, you know, big them up.
Ladies and gentlemen, the evergreen voice of KMJ and my brother Calibos, the commando. Back to you, Reggie.
Right, now the last time I saw this gentleman, he was making a grand entrance into Media General. I don't know what all of that was about, but I'm glad he's here on the red carpet to tell me all about it. Trigmatic, how are you doing? You look fabulous, very dapper.
Thank you, thank you.
What's all that grand entrance about? The range, the bike, you know, I had the vroom vroom. I'm like, okay, what's happening?
Well, I mean, it's been a while since I jumped on radio, and so yes, I'm back. I'm back on 3FM, and that's how Media General decided to receive me. Yes.
So how does it feel coming back into radio, music, what you truly love?
Well, it feels great because, like you said, it's something I love and I enjoy doing. So it feels great. It's like I'm back to work and happiness at the same time. So yeah, it feels good.
What should we expect from Trigmatic, and when can we always tune into your show?
Well, off stage and off camera and everything, I learned so much. So I'm bringing all of that back onto radio. New dimensions of entertainment, a lot of fun, a lot of great music, and then also to vibe with the new school. The guys who are up now, you know, I love them, but this gives me that close relationship with them. So yeah, it feels great.
Well, 15 years in the industry means you've attended this event for several years, over and over again. Are you impressed with how things have been put together every year?
Yeah, I was just telling someone that I think this particular one is one of the best curated, especially red carpet events since the inception of the Music Awards. And so I'm waiting to see what's inside. So I can't wait for the excitement, but it feels really good to be back and to see different things. I'm seeing different screens, a lot of people, and faces I don't even know, but I'm yet to find out. But I'm also here to cheer, you know, some of the favorite artists that I listen to and to see some performances and enjoy myself, basically.
Right. Well, Trigmatic, before you go, I think with everything that you've said, it goes a long way to say that Charterhouse has done an amazing job holding this position as the organizers of the Ghana Music Awards for 26 years. Is there anything you would like to tell them just to keep them going, like a tap on the back for doing this for so long?
I was just sharing with someone that I think Charterhouse needs a big pat on the back. I think they've really done well. The consistency has been there. Amidst all the bashing and all of that, they've still held firm. And so I want to say all the best. I want to say keep doing it. I know that we're troublesome sometimes, but yeah, and it's a great partnership that we have. And I think they're a company that we need to embrace and embrace well. We have embraced, but we need to actually cement the relationship, industry and as event organizers. I think they've done a great job. I mean, 15 years ago, I took Best Rapper of the Year. And it felt good. And so whoever wins it this year and a few other awards that followed, whoever wins feels good. And so they are serving as the reward system for the industry. And we need to appreciate it and keep them going.
Well, since you mentioned it, who do you think is winning Rapper of the Year?
Well, I take, what's the name of the tall dude? No. Why have I forgotten the name? Not Beast-Trap, not Black Sheriff. He's very tall, and he raps very fast. Yes. Oh, yeah, so he's actually there.
Okay, he's there. Okay. I'm sure when he gets here, please let me know you are the one he is rooting for. Thank you so much, Trigmatic. Lyrical Joe. Yes, Lyrical Joe. Thank you so much, Trigmatic. Have a wonderful evening.
Well, thank you, Reggie. That was a man that reminded us that nobody knows tomorrow. Well, these people know a few things about the music industry. Hello, good evening. What's your name, sir?
My name is NYB.
NYB, you're in the music industry?
Definitely, I'm the head of music for Amin Music.
Love that. Good evening, Mike's Quest.
Yeah.
You are in the music industry, under the Grammy voting board, that is.
A record producer, composer, yeah, and that too, Grammy board, yeah.
What categories are you interested in tonight at the TGM 26?
Obviously, the main one, you know,
Artist of the Year.
of the year.
Who do you think is going to pick that up?
Do you know what? It's tricky because obviously you've got consistency on one side, which is obviously Promise, you've got Stone, you've got Blacko, who's made crazy impact. But then let's not sleep on Paluta. Do you know what I mean? Like the massive hits that he had.
Massive hit.
Hits. So I think it really comes down to the criteria, which is over to you guys.
According to the Grammy voting board, who is next in line from Ghana to win a Grammy?
Well, that's not how it works. You know that.
No, according to your assessments, who's working towards that goal clearly to you?
What I can tell you is whoever submits, because a lot of people don't even submit in the first place. So they cry about not getting nominated, but they don't even submit. So I can definitely tell you whoever submits will be considered. I can say that.
Amin Music, you guys have some nominations tonight from your label?
No, but you know I'm supporting Kim Promise, true and true. So today is the night.
Are you from Nungwa?
Oh, you don't be about Nungwa vibe, but today is the night. I can feel it in my inside. Yes, that's a 5-star night. So rooting all out for Kim Promise, Artist of the Year.
Love to hear it. Who are you wearing tonight?
I'm Brassier Couture.
Ah, he's a humble couture. I love it. I like it. It's a clean swag. It's Ghanaian. It's colorful. Who are you wearing, Mike's Quest?
Elikem Kumoji.
Elikem, the samurai.
The samurai, the tailor, yeah. Shout out also to Lourdes Couture, that's usually my go-to, but today, Elikem got me.
All right, Max and LYB, thank you so much. Reggie, take it away.
All right, now I've been joined by the queen herself, looking very beautiful. I love the purple outfit. What went into putting this outfit together?
I mean, as angelic as I am, I told my designer, just surprise me, put together something beautiful. And Kifi Clothing did this beautiful outfit for me.
Very nice. Kifit Clothing.
Kifi, K-I-F-I, Clothing, yeah.
So if you had to describe your outfit with one song, what song would it be?
Well, I don't know if there's any song that has, beautiful as a title, but it will be beautiful. Yes.
Okay, your expectations for tonight?
To have fun. That the most deserving artists win each and every category that they deserve, yeah.
All right, Queen, thank you so much, and do have a lovely evening. Make sure you have fun. Yes, because we're here to party hard tonight. Of course, it's all about the music, but it's also about the vibes and also showing our true made in Ghana outfit. We are promoting our designers right here in Ghana. Bliss, over to you.
Yeah, well, we've been joined by some of the most esteemed gentlemen of our land, the great Harold Amenya and MC Portfolio. Both of you looking dashing tonight. I see your Ghanaian inspiration there. I see.
What? The American way.
Your PR to which artist?
Certainly the incoming artist of the year tonight, Kim Paluta.
Ah, that's interesting. So you believe Kim Paluta wins tonight?
Certainly, 2024, he became the poster boy of Ghana's music ecosystem, and it's so obvious that he dominated and hijacked the music system, the year under review. So certainly, I know the voice of the people certainly is going to be the voice of God, and the voice of God is going to be the voice of the scheme tonight.
I love it. Who are you wearing tonight?
Oh, yes, I'm Mensa Atalia from Kumasi. I mean, yes, putting this together for me, and yes, I appreciate him a lot, yes. So he made me
Kumerica in the house. Mr. Harold Amenya, this is clean swag. Is this Ghanaian?
Yes, it is, 100%. This is by Kwame Owusu. Yeah.
Really interesting. What inspired your look tonight?
So I actually borrowed the theme from the Met Gala. dandyism, of course. I mean, it's something that I can relate to. So when I saw the theme and then I found out that there was actually no theme for the VGM, so I was like, okay, why not? Let's just, TGM is I can borrow this theme because it's something that resonates with me. So I did that, yeah.
26 years of TGMA, and you've been here many, many times. What do you feel tonight? What do you see? What changes do you see tonight?
Amazing. I see a more organized red carpet, which is exciting. Yeah, I can't wait to go inside and see what is there. But yeah, I mean, they always say that if the game is going to be good, it starts from the morning. So from the little I'm seeing right now, I'm rest assured that it's going to be good.
Can you say that in Chi?
Agrobeso if you're Anopa.
Anopa 222. Medawase. Reggie, take it away.
I think the best person to indulge in my little game tonight is right next to me. He goes by the name Lyrical Joe, and I hope that he's able to bring the lyrics on because, listen, tonight we are describing our outfits, how we feel, the vibe with a song. What song would it be? You want to drop some bars?
Let's go.
Give it that boom, boom.
I'm light years, I hear the light years with so much fire I can light years. I won't take a no or a light years. Question, did this music industry take me light years? But I remained at the end of the tunnel, a light years. I write fierce, on the mic I'm Tyson, this will bite ears. I cure death and damn for scholars, these were the bright years, no rap years. The healing can amount or touch the light year. Throne don't carry weight, meaning all of the kings are light years. It's death by electrocution, I sit on light chairs, then in light years.
Lyrical Joe, Yapong. The show is over. You just killed the show. But that's wonderful. But Trigmatic thinks you can win Rapper of the Year. How does that make you feel?
Come again.
Trigmatic says he thinks you can win Rapper of the Year. How does that make you feel?
Makes me feel great. That's like a prophecy because he told me once and I won. And he said it, like he's saying it again and it's possible.
Well, fingers crossed. We'll see how that goes. But on that note, thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening, Lyrical Joe. Okay.
We all wait patiently to see who becomes the Rapper of the Year, including other categories tonight. But tonight I have Time GH and Chairman K with me, both exquisitely dressed gentlemen. Time GH, first of all, where did your name come from, Time GH?
Everything is around time. God is time. So it's a second name from God and of God, by God, in God, always God.
Time GH. Chairman K, how you feeling tonight? Great swag. Who are you wearing? Is this Ghanaian?
Yeah, this Ghanaian frequency. Frequency, yeah.
What informed your swag tonight?
Yeah, I have to look different this night. VGMA, tonight I've seen so much changes here tonight. So I love it, and I have to.
Who are you supporting tonight?
Oh, Can Promise.
For Artist of the Year?
Artist of the Year, Can Promise.
You believe he will pick that up tonight?
Oh, he has already taken it.
Wow, this is interesting. Time. Who do you think picks up that award tonight?
The J. Yeah.
Really talented guy.
Very talented. Yeah.
You're supporting the J tonight. Where's your swag from tonight? Who made this?
Steve, one from Top Base. He's a tailor, he's not a fashion designer.
What's the difference?
Oh, you have to design, then you give it to the tailor to, sew it. So most of them, they are designed by tailors, not fashion designers, yeah.
So all of my next guests, I'll ask who was designed by a tailor and who was designed by a designer. Thank you guys, Time and Chairman K. Back to you, Reggie.
All right, well, we have the man of the moment, Kojo Black here, and I am definitely feeling...
Excellent, madam.
I think we're going to do a freestyle. I was ready to, give you a little shake. You want to do a little freestyle for us?
We'll just give them like 6 seconds. Excellent, excellent, oh, excellent.
How you doing, K Black?
It's a blessing to be here. I'm very honored to be here.
Is it your first time at the TGMAs?
No, this is my second time.
What are your expectations for tonight?
Tonight's definitely going to be excellent. Yeah, man. And I'm rooting out for Kiddy.
All right. Well, it will definitely be excellent. I just hope we don't put anybody in emergency. Thank you so much, K Black. And I hope whoever you're rooting for wins tonight. Have a wonderful evening. Okay.
Listen, Regina. I've got some female energy now. The swag, the drama. Look at that dress, Ajua Noella. And look at that clean suede swag, Claudia Lumo. Y'all look amazing. Who made this hell of a look?
Rex Kojo Couture put this together. We've been working for 3 years in a row, and every single year he's killed it. So I'm grateful. I had to put the full outfit because he's watching, so he has to make sure that everything is together. Yeah.
Just for perspective, if there's an emergency right now, you can run. Can you run?
Oh, I can. Once I drop that.
Okay. Once you drop it, you're good. I love what you're wearing. Claudia, what are you wearing tonight? It looks very matte, very understated, but so clean.
Thank you. Just so I can run. I got something from my closet that I've had this for a couple of years, but yeah, thank you.
Interesting. You're presenting an award tonight, Reggae Dancehall Artist of the Year. You're yet to open that envelope, but when you look in that category, who are the top performers there?
Don't do that. I have everything is in my head. You know, I'm well put together. I'm ready for the stage. Don't make me nervous.
Okay. Another question. As someone who understands the events industry and putting things together, what differences, what changes do you see in this year's TGMAs?
You know what? I have to give it to Charterhouse and Telecel. This is amazing, supporting the industry like the Ghana Music Award, the creative industry. Look at this. We are celebrating Ghana. We are celebrating our creative industry. I mean, all the way from the entrance coming in, the branding, the coordination, the team. I mean, I can feel what has gone into this. So I give them, I congratulate all of them.
Shouts to Charterhouse. Ajua Noella, what categories are you looking forward to tonight?
Definitely the big 5 and the big 2. I think that every single person that has been nominated this year has worked so hard, so much so that there's still like a very hot debate on who is going to be winning Artist of the Year. So it's that moment that everybody will be looking forward to, and I'll definitely be there to see who wins Artist of the Year tonight.
Absolutely. I'll be in the main hall to come jam with the two of you, so I'll see you there. Back to you, Reggie.
All right, Mr. Rexomar, good evening. Love your outfit. You look very smart.
Thank you very much.
May I know who designed it?
It's my brother, but his company is called Cop Clothing.
Well, in the industry for a very long time, I'm sure obviously this is not your first time at the TGMAs. Is there anything you would like to tell Charterhouse, especially because they've remained consistent for so many years, actually 26 years, rewarding artists in the music industry?
I think Charterhouse has done very, very well in holding up this event this far. I think they deserve applause, and then we all need to support them so as to be able to raise it to a different level.
Are you rooting for any musician tonight?
I think a couple of the musicians have done very well this year, so I'm just waiting for the surprise. Yeah.
All right. And just a quick advice to them on how they can, maintain authenticity in this fast-paced world.
As a musician myself, I know that keeping being relevant is very, very difficult. It's capital intensive. So I believe that I will just advise them that they should keep pushing.
All right. Before you go, you are going to leave me here. That's something you are doing on the red carpet tonight. We're getting people to describe their outfit and how they feel with a song, a Ghanaian song. What song is Mr. Rexomar going to choose to describe how he's feeling?
Anything that has to do with high life. Thank you.
I see some lady eyeing you there. Thank you so much, Mr. Rexomar, and have a wonderful evening. Bliss, over to you.
I have the true honor tonight to have the entire Azigazag clan with me. This man right here, a legend of watch since I was a toddler. Good evening, sir. It's so amazing to see you and in person. How are you feeling tonight?
Hey, I'm too blessed to be stressed, but you just called yourself a toddler, so you made me an old man.
Well, your swag is still clean and amazing. Let me ask you, you were in the entertainment industry when this industry had no respect and no dignity. How did you feel in those moments? How did you survive those moments?
It is believed that the way you bring your plate, that is how you'll be served. And I brought my plate right and professional, so you got to respect.
You've got to. Please introduce your family to us.
All right, this is the terrorist in my house. That is my wife's rival. She's Janelle. That is my wife of 23 years.
and my son, my firstborn.
Firstborn, JD, I hear you can rap. You can sing.
I do, I sing.
What genre do you sing?
Gospel.
Oh, gospel? Yeah, just like daddy. Mama, you like that? Yeah. Who you wearing tonight? You look amazing.
I was styled by my husband.
Styled by the husband. Okay. Okay, let's check this out. Who styled who in this family? Who styled you tonight, as example?
So, and I'm loving the outfit, darling. What inspired this look?
Okay, thank you so much, but I must confess you also look really, really magnificent. Yeah, so just as the name depicts, Mima Africa, I should be embodied with everything culture, everything that identifies me as an African woman. So you can see from my hair, which was styled by Smart and Glam, with this beautiful African put up magnificent African woman look by Telmate Official, and my face also by Beauty Maven. But I was being made like this with the help of Her Excellency Nana McBrown, wherever she is. God bless her so much for putting me through this beauty. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Nana McBrown. Well, you have a nomination tonight. Tell us a little bit about it, and do you hope you're going to take a win in your category?
Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank God so much, because there are lots of us with this dream, and so when you get a stepping stone like being on a TGMA nominee, it's a big deal for every up and rising artist. So I'm very grateful to Charterhouse, and I carry positive energy, so I'm going to speak by faith that I am winning. I'm winning. Yeah, by faith.
By faith, she is winning. Okay, Mima, I will not bore you with too much talk. Just go take your seat, say your prayer, and you wanted to do a freestyle for me?
You know, I'm looking powerful like an African woman.
All right, thank you so much. I can't believe I would have missed that little performance. Thank you so much for bringing my attention to it. And do have a wonderful evening, Mima Africa. I wish you all the best. Woo, Bliss, did you hear that voice?
I heard it.
Very powerful.
And absolutely loved it. Oh, you would love this one. You know, the red carpet is about looks and swag, yeah. Please allow me to introduce Kwame Tundra over here and Rap Father. Kwame Tundra, you first. Where are you from?
I'm from Sunyani.
Why are you here tonight?
I'm here to support King Paluta. He's my favorite artist.
Okay. What kind of swag is this? I see straws and straws hanging all over. Is this some sustainability project you're embarking on?
I'm trying to tell the whole Ghana that the things that we use and then we throw it away, we can reuse it again.
So you're preaching recycling?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
That's interesting. Interesting mask, interesting outfit. Rap Father, 3 nominations tonight, I believe. Which one are you confident that you would pick up tonight?
All of them.
All of them. Rap Father. So tell me, in your category, in your 3 categories, who do you think is your strongest competitor?
I think myself.
Yourself. Rap Father.
I'm the king.
You're the king. Looking forward to your categories tonight and looking forward to you picking up an award tonight. Good luck, my friend. Good luck, Rap Father. And good luck to you. Oh, you finally, okay, he's done an unveiling of himself now, yeah? Show yourself to the world. I'm sure everybody in Sunyani is so proud of you. Kwame Tundra, thank you so much. Back to you, Reggie.
Well, Ghana, your darling boy is here in all his glory. Our darling, how are you doing tonight?
I'm super good and grateful. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you.
I can't understand why you're happy, because you won the unsung category. How long did you have to wait for this victory?
You know, this is my first time here, and I'm a winner for unsung category, so I should be happy and grateful.
So how long have you been working to actually get to this point?
Okay, so officially under record label, big shout outs to my team, Sky Entertainment, 2.5 years. So I'm now entering my 3rd year.
What should Ghanaians expect from you, especially with the title that you have now? It is not a very small title at all.
It shows that my works are being recognized and I need to put in more work. So there are more in the pipeline who will come in. So Ghanaians should expect fire. I mean, great works. When I say darling, you know the vibe, you get it.
All right, and generally your expectations for tonight's event?
Okay, tonight I'm performing live on the big stage. When I say y'all, you know what I mean. Darling vibes, sweet vibes, cool vibes, less talk, more action.
Well, I see this for the ladies, so I hope you sit tight and watch out for his performance. Thank you so much, Yao, darling, and I wish you all the best once you hit that stage. All right. Well, Bliss, I can see it's blazing hot in your corner.
Man.
I can feel the heat.
Introducing the drummer. That is the outfit. And the lady inside of it. Hello, Ifekis. Good evening. Can I open this up and talk to you? How are you feeling tonight? You're feeling good? Who are you supporting tonight? Any nominations, any artists you're really, really poised about?
I can't be biased, so I definitely want the best person to win.
You want the best person to win. Tell me about this outfit right here. What is going on here?
You know, I used to have a nickname called Lady Gaga, and I think tonight I wanted to bring that aspect of me out.
Please show some love to Lady Gaga. Francis, gospel artist. Good evening. How are you feeling?
Fine, thank you. I'm doing well.
Interesting gospel categories tonight. Who are you here to support?
All of them, but I know one will take it home.
You have a performance tonight. Tell me about that quickly.
I am performing with Mama Tiwa, with Papa Yao Sapon, Senkanye Radia tonight.
Good to see both of you, the drama and the gospel. Reggie, take it away.
Okay, yeah, I was just chit-chatting with Mika. How you doing?
I'm all right. I'm really, really all right, yeah.
Well, tonight, is this your first time at the TGMAs?
Yeah, it's my first time as a nominee, but, you know, I've come to Stillwater here before, yeah.
So what are you nominated for?
I am nominated for the music video of the year, yeah.
Okay, so since that's a category, it means that I'm thinking film, I'm thinking soundtrack, I'm thinking music. If you had to describe your outfit with one song, what song would it be? Yeah, I know.
Describe my outfit with one song. Man, you know when your village people are really coming after you? I don't know, a song. I'd probably say Lazy Song. Yeah, Lazy Song, because this was just the only thing I watched, so that's why I wore it, yeah.
Anyway, so your expectations for tonight?
My expectations for tonight, probably King Promise wins Artist of the Year. I don't think anyone's dress will be as much as yours. I think that's my second expectation. And yeah, I'm expecting a good night that'll probably end late, yeah.
It will definitely end, I'm not going to say it, but it will be a good night because it's Charterhouse, it's Telecel Ghana. We always do it big and we make sure that people have an amazing time. So I hope you do, and I wish you all the best, and I hope you are not disappointed.
I'll try my best, yeah.
All right, Mika, thank you so much and have a wonderful evening. It was nice meeting you too.
Well, safe to say I'm the family man today, Reggie. I've got the Mace Bell and family with me. Good evening, ma'am. Wonderful to see you. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling great.
20-something years of you making amazing music and thrilling us in the industry. How do you feel today, 26 years of TGMA?
I'm proud to be a Ghanaian artist because so far so good. Our industry keeps changing with the generation and I am proud.
You're proud. Do you feel that you are accorded the respect as the legend that you are in this industry?
Definitely, yes.
I love that. I love that you feel it. Let me talk to your kids real quick. How are you feeling tonight? What's your name?
Okonfo Black.
Okonfo Black. His swag is hard. What's your name?
Ice-T.
Who are you looking forward to seeing on the stage tonight?
Kim Promise, Kim Paluta.
Who are you looking forward to seeing tonight?
Kim Promise, Kim Paluta.
Wow. Any categories, Ms. Bo, you're looking forward to seeing tonight?
I'm looking forward to see everything.
Put you on the spot. Who will be Artist of the Year tonight at the end of the night? Who do you believe will be Artist of the Year?
Kim Promise.
Man.
I like him. I think his work really hard. It will be fair for him to be the Artist of the Year this time.
That's interesting. Thank you so much. Lovely to see you and the kids. Back to you, Reggie.
Okay, well, I've been joined by Vida Educhumwa, the PR for Bim, Bim, Bim. How you doing, Vida?
I'm doing great. We are poised for victory tonight. Okay.
I'm sure you've heard. You've heard the gossips, the rumors. You've heard of who people are pitching to win Artist of the Year. Who have you heard people pitching for this particular prestigious award?
You need not ask. It's Stoneboy.
Stoneboy?
You're preaching the fact that we need to protect consistency and hard work in the game. And that is the reason why it's okay to win and win and win and win again. So Stoneboy is going to set that record tonight and will give hope to the youngsters out there that you can win and always win. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah.
All right, Vida. Well, I wish you and the team the very best of luck. Before you go, I love your outfit. We are celebrating Made in Ghana outfits. Of course, our Ghanaian designers, the ones behind our gorgeous looks. Who made this outfit? And if you had to describe it with one song, please, don't say Stoneboy. Oh, sweetie, let's do something different.
This is from Dash Fashion, and it's called JJJ. Yeah, my face beat is by HB Elegance, My Beautiful Hair by Bella Wicks. So we are poised for, watch out for Stoneboy's performance actually. It's going to be fantastic, mind-blowing. We've lined up 80 people just for one performance, so you can just imagine, yeah.
Well, I didn't say it, Vida did, and you obviously know that Stoneboy always comes through with some electrifying performances, so fingers crossed, and we hope to see what he does on stage. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Reggie. I've got the great Councillor Lutro, the MC Yaya War with me. Please step forward for me a little. You look really nice. What are you wearing tonight?
So I'm wearing this apparel from Lux Rocky GH. She designed this beautiful dress. My face beat is by Rosling, the lady who won the Guinness Book of Records. So my makeup is setting some records right now, and, you know, and my hair is from Nick's hair, yeah.
Talk about drama. I love it. Councillor Lutrot. Good evening, sir. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling better.
What do you have in hand there?
This is Makwe Ginger Honey Chips. The best of the best. When you put in your mouth, you can tell everybody.
Well, I hope I stay alive here. No, that's a lot, though. It's pretty good. It's tasty ginger. So this is your product? Oh, I like it. Who are you looking forward to seeing tonight?
Well, everybody that will be alive on stage, I'm looking forward to see them. And the best side is winning. And everybody knows who the best side is once you're watching me right now. So tonight is fun. It's respect for everyone who is alive to see this. And also mourning for those who are waiting to see this. And they didn't say it. Ghana is together under our new president as well.
Appreciate that. Who wins tonight? The Artist of the Year, in your opinion?
Stoneboy, Livingstone Statekla is taking home the Artist of the Year. And let me just get this right. We are setting a new record today. You understand? So this is going to be the first time that a living legend is taking it back to back to back. Reason is because I believe that in this industry, we have to learn to reward consistency and longevity, and Stoneboy has lived through it all. Because when you ask people, why do you think we should give the award to someone, they're like, oh, Stoneboy has taken it, he took it last year, so we have to give it to someone else. But you see, consistency for someone who released an album 3 months to the end of the year and is competing with people who have released months ago. Come on.
MC Yayawa. That's all we need to hear tonight. By the way, Councillor Lutro, thanks for the ginger. Appreciate it. Back to you, Reggie. My voice is clear now. The ginger worked.
Okay, then. Well, I was thinking of being a little biased with this interview because she is my baby girl, but they're saying I have limited time. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, Cherise in all her glory. She is a delegate of Miss Malaika Ghana, and I am loving the outfit, the skin. Look, we're going to do a little check, okay? Skin.
Perfect. Okay.
Oh, okay, I love that. So skin?
Perfect.
Hair?
Perfect.
Outfit?
Perfect.
And that glow?
Perfection.
Sherry's note, complete this for me tonight. Tonight, I'm here to...
To Queen. Yeah, to Queen.
Well, Sherry, who put this outfit together?
So my outfit is by Hey Gems. He made this beautiful piece. Now let's talk about the hair.
How long did you have to sit for this?
Not too long. That was like less than 30 minutes. Yeah, and my hair is by Abiba Locks. She's one of the best in Africa. Yeah, wherever you are, just mention Abiba Locks and you know we are talking about perfection. Yes.
If you had to describe your outfit, your entire look with one song, what song would it be?
That would be Pink Black Girls. I can sing it for you. And he said there's pink black girls in our area code. These black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runway, it's not just smooth, but on top of that, I want to see you in a team. Look at your crown, natural relax at the jerker, one time soft tension. Where black girl magic is sometimes blue. Magraheb band or two.
Thank you so much, Sharice. You really came prepared. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. All right. Bliss.
Well, Reggie, welcome to the Diplomats role. I've got the Deputy Minister of Agriculture, my good friend, Mr. John Dumelo. I've got the Minister of Kinky Hair herself, Kinky Matters. And also I've got the Swiss Ambassador. Good evening to all of you. Johnny, welcome to TGMA 26. How are you feeling tonight?
Well, I'm feeling blessed.
Well, congrats on your position, but more also congrats on your interest in the agriculture. So I watch you, follow the eggs and do all of that. Is this something that you're really passionate about?
Oh, yes. I mean, we're here to feed ourselves, feed the nation, and then export the rest. So, yeah, I did for you.
So we're going to be food sufficient in a few years. Minister?
Oh, yeah. By the end of the year, they're not Nebu.
Bukra. Minister of Kinky Masters, Lydia Forsen. Wonderful to see you. That's a gorgeous dress. Who made it?
It's a beautiful designer called Adiki, and I was styled by Belinda. And I have to give a major shout out to my hairstylist and makeup. I know everybody's going to ask what happened to my hair. Aleo by Ben did this. So thank you, Ben. Love you.
The hair. Good evening, ma'am. Is this your first time at the TGMA?
It is, in fact, and thanks to my good friend Lydia, actually, so I'm very grateful to her.
How are you enjoying it so far?
Very much. I love Ghanaian culture, love Ghanaian music.
Do you know any Ghanaian songs?
Oh no, but don't make me sing. I know a lot. I know, like...
I won't make you sing. Just tell me one.
The Soma Obi.
Soma Obi.
And Sacrifice, of course, the entire New Black O album.
You're a Black O fan?
Yes, absolutely.
She made us listen to Black O's album when we were getting ready. That's how much she loves Black O.
That's really wonderful. That's really wonderful. Let me put you on the spot, all of you, quickly. Who wins Artist of the Year tonight?
Oh. I've been going to mention them. Honestly, I hope it will be Kim Promise.
Okay. Who do you hope it is? Just hope.
I hope it is who God wants it to be.
Who do you hope it is tonight? It's going to be Black.
My answer is clear, yes.
Thank you. Wonderful to see you all. I'll be in there the whole jamming with all of you. Afutuo, Johnny, good to see you. Yeah, fully Ghanaian, we're here. It's back to you, Reggie.
Well, when we speak about one of the few people putting Ghana on the map and making us proud, he truly is a definition of hard work. I'm very happy to have the man Kwadwo in my little corner. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm looking very well. I'm doing very, very well. And you are looking incredibly beautiful.
Kwadwo, you want to describe my outfit with a song? Maybe we should do it the other way around. You describe my outfit with one song.
Davido's new song. What's it called? This is a new song. It's a feel-good song. Yes. Looking at you makes me feel good.
They want us to do Ghanaian music, so we have to bring it home. Should I pick something for you? Maybe I should do that peke for you, like Tadiana peke, I peke. It's not peke. Kwadwo, I mean, you are in the event space. We've seen what you've done with Emmys. Every year there is growth, and we are truly proud of you. But you've also been working with Charterhouse. Any word of advice to them? Of course, they need a tap on the back because they've been doing amazing. This has been happening for 26 years. And tonight, I just want people like you to honor them and also let them know and feel appreciated for what they are doing.
Okay, so doing what I do and knowing what I know, putting events like this together is a lot of, hard work. I mean, pulling all the resources together, getting the right people to execute the ideas that you have. It's not a walk in the park at all. So for them to be doing this for the past 26 years, I just dove my heart to them. This year, EMY is 10 years, and it's not been easy. And people should just watch out for our celebration throughout the year in Ghana and around the globe. So yeah, I just want to say Yola, who's a very good friend of mine, is a mentor as well, Madam Theresa, and the entire team at Charterhouse. are doing an incredible job. They've done incredibly well for carrying this and being consistent for the past 26 years. I think that we need to, support them through our weight behind them, because doing these things is not easy. And this is what is putting Ghana music on the map.
Now, finally, what are your expectations for tonight, and who do you want to see perform on stage?
This is the 26th year, so I'm expecting that it's going to be a flawless evening, great production, incredible performances. The world is watching. These days, when you're doing events in Ghana, it's not just for Ghanaians, because people can tune in from around the world. So I'm expecting a world-class production. May the best nominees win tonight.
Thank you so much, Kojo.
Let me give shout out.
Please, I was about to say that.
So my designer is called Semanticos, a young Ghanaian designer doing incredibly well. Joe Pesky did my hat. I'm feeling really good tonight, and I'm expecting to have a great time.
Well, we'll definitely make sure you have a great time. Thank you so much, Kojo, and do have a wonderful evening.
Feeling really good. That's my boy, Kojo Sobo, over there. I've got Nana Yao Foriata and Gomez Beats, two of the music industry's finest. Gomez Beats, tell us your most popular song. What's that?
Okay, I did a Tia Don't Go for episode, and while I did part 2, the one with the Choboy. Yeah.
I love that song. Atia Don't Go Be Pese. Odemiko. I love your song. You made with Fra. Big song everywhere. You feel the vibe is now an anthem. How much has your life changed because of that song?
First off, I'll give glory to God. It tells one simple message: God will take care of you, and that's what we stand for. We're here to spread joy, spread energy, especially when times are tough. It's good to hear a song that brings back joy and reminds you that God will take care of you. So it's been great, and because of that, we've been nominated for another song, which is Onwanweni. First time, first new category. We're here representing gospel music, and it's amazing. So I'm grateful to God, and I'm glad I'm here.
I love it. Quick one. What are you wearing tonight?
So I'm wearing Phil Kwashi. This is by Phil Kwashi, top and down. This is from 321, and my shoes are made in Ghana by Chase, and these pins are from June 4th.
I know them. I know Chase. I love them. Love the swag. Love the swag, Nadaya. My man, is this Ghanaian?
I don't know.
It's made in Ghana, man. Tell me, what category are you looking forward to tonight?
Okay, well, I'm rooting for my artist episode, so I'm just hoping we win something,
Good luck, my man. Gomez Beats and Nanaya Foriata. Back to you, Reggie.
Okay, sorry. We're having a little banter here. But anytime the Gen Zs come through, they come through with a vibe. And yes, you can see Ajwa T is already doing her thing. Ajwa, how are you doing?
I'm good, you?
Very well, Ajwa. So tonight we're doing a little activity. And I'm looking at you with my two eyes because, look, Ajwa and I were getting ready sort of tonight because we both had our hair done at Lee J's place, and I heard her sing, and I want to put her on the spot. Ajwa, if you had to describe your outfit with a song, what song would it be?
So I would use excellent to describe my... Okay, so let me give you a freestyle. Only you, but I feel hit my chest. Your back, I said. Are you done? I'm done.
Ashua, I think we're going to do a little gospel because tonight I heard you singing gospel. I was like, okay, anyway, is this your first time on the red carpet?
At TGMA, yes, this is my first time.
How are you feeling about it? And do you love our red carpets? And most importantly, what are your expectations for the event tonight?
I feel so honored. I feel very good for being here with you, standing here with you, and I'm just expecting the most out of tonight because I can see everybody's looking like good head to toe. Everybody came prepared, and I like that, And this is nice.
Who are you pitching to win Artist of the Year?
Hey, why would you do that? Okay, so Kim Promise has to take it. Yeah.
Well, fingers crossed. We'll see how the night goes. Thank you so much, Ajwa. Who made your outfit?
All right, so I'm wearing Telmate official. My hair, as you know, Lee J looks. My makeup, Beauty Maven. And yeah, they came together to make me look so good. And I just want to say shout out to them. Thank you so much.
Ajwa, thank you so much, and do have a wonderful evening. Bliss.
Well, I've got Kofi Boabing and media personality Abena Serrano on the carpet with me now. Abena Serrano. Quite exquisite looking tonight. It's really wonderful. What you're wearing?
So I'm wearing Nikita Nuptial. My makeup is by Flare Faces, and my hair is laid and snatched. I think my team did a wonderful job putting this whole look together.
Really fierce, really fierce. Kofi, great swag. You're a man from the UK with an African swag. Tell me about your drip tonight.
You know what, yeah, this is all about Africa and it's more about Ghana, right? And look at the 26 years of excellency, right? Seriously, I've been one or two, I think 3 times. And to be fair with you, this is my first time I'm actually experiencing this. And tonight being here, what can I say? It's a blessing.
We all love it. Abna, who are you looking forward to seeing tonight? And let me push you on the spot. Who wins the coveted TGMA 26 Artist of the Year? Who do you hope wins tonight?
Undoubtedly, I think I'm hoping Kim Promise takes it.
Hey, one more vote for KP. Thank you, Abna. Thank you, Kofi. Back to you, Reggie.
Okay, well, I've been joined by Andy Dusty, and I wish you guys could hear the commentary going on here. I'm hearing, hey, wow. Andy, what's happening? What have you seen that I haven't seen?
The glitz, the glamour, the hoodios, and the nice.
But tonight we're celebrating our Ghanaian designers. Are you rocking anything by Ghanaian? Oh, I see. Okay, I was going to guess, but no, I'll let you do the talking.
This is an LV, suited by Osebo the Zarman, 247 boutique. Yep, and some Fendi shoes.
Well, your expectations for tonight, and who do you think should win Artist of the Year?
I guess I'll be the wrong person to ask this question because of my position. So
you're allowed to have a favorite, and that's okay, right? That's okay.
Let me plead the fifth for now. But I guess it's going to be a very good night. The usual TGMAs, all the fireworks, all the bombs dropping from the skies, all the great performances and good shows. So expectations will be met.
With all the description you're giving right now, it means that TGMA has been killing it for 26 years. Andy, please, we want you to give Chatterhouse a tap on the back, something to encourage them to keep up the good work.
It's very good you've brought this up because a lot of people have work to do, carpenters, designers, camera, all of them, makeup, all of them, we all have works to do. So yes, it's not just about providing plaques and giving us our honors or our flowers, but also putting food and cash in our pockets. So for Chatterhouse, kudos, 26 years. If I'm away, by now can go.
All right, Andy, thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
I've been joined by Ramsey B, the Western Region's finest, and also one of my favorite lyricists of all time, Chief Telenke. I am not sure he's going to say a word to me, but I will try. How are you feeling tonight, Chief Telenke? All right, okay. Ramsey B, how's the Western region? And do you have any nominations tonight? You were nominated 2 years ago. Any nominations tonight?
Nah, today I didn't get nomination, but I'm here to support my brothers. You know, Kofi Kinata, Keche Global, Last Made, Fameye, and you know, I'm here to support them. Yeah.
All right, Ramsey B. And all right, Chief Telenke. I hope when I see you in the auditorium and with your party, you can at least speak to me. Would you? Would you speak to me now? All right, back to you, Reggie.
Okay, well, I've been joined by Mr. and Mrs. AZ. How are you doing? Oh, wait, did I get it wrong?
Oh, it's perfect. You got it right.
Because I mean, you're a team, right? I know what they say about teamwork.
Makes the dream work.
Anyway, so did wifey style you or you styled yourself? Someone must have styled someone, right?
Wifey got me the shoes, and then the clothes is by Ahon Brassi. That's my brother back there, you know. Shout out Ahon Brassi. And wifey styled herself.
Sweetie, please come closer and tell me who styled your outfit.
Actually, I'm a fashion designer, so I styled myself.
With permission, can wifey do a little twirl for us, Mr. AC? Can we get a little? Okay. Look, I love a man that supports his woman, okay? Now, I know you are performing tonight. Is there anything you would love to tell your husband before he gets on that big stage? I know, right? Yeah, you thought you were going to speak.
I wish him all the best, and I know he's going to take all the awards. So, yeah.
You believe you're taking all the awards tonight?
I better, because he just said it. If I don't, I have to go and face it back home.
Is there anything you want us to look forward to when you step on that stage?
I'm performing with the Afro Harmony Band, so I know that it's going to be very good. You know, back from the rehearsal we did yesterday, it was love. So I know that it's going to be good.
All right, thank you so much. I'll leave you to go backstage and do your rehearsal. I know I will be back there cheering you on, and I know that you will deliver. Bliss.
I've been joined by two of the gospel music industry's finest, Fifi Folsom and Scott Evans. You look clean. I hear you're wearing my tailor. Is that what you're wearing?
You're actually wearing my tailor.
Hey, shouts to Threadfix, man. Really talented dude. Tell me about this outfit tonight. What inspired this one?
Listen, this guy, sometimes he doesn't need anything to inspire him. Just tell him where you're going and you get you sorted. He's so talented, you know.
Super, super talented. Fifi, you are an industry voice. You have been for a long time. Your impressions of the gospel music industry this year and also the categories, your expectations tonight.
Well, thank you. By far, I think that, gospel is always growing. I mean, we're putting in our best. And I believe that this evening, the best will emerge winners for the music and the culture.
Do you feel that the gospel music industries or the gospel music and the artists have lost a little firepower this year in terms of getting nominated in other categories as compared to the previous years?
No, I don't think so. I think that if you check, you'll notice that for the, other categories that ideally the gospel wouldn't have been there, they're quite there.
You're right. Team Eternity has 8 nominations tonight. Scott, any nominations tonight for you?
Yeah, best urban contemporary song of the year. So I'm excited about this one because I feel like this is something we've been working so hard for our generation's sound to be recognized in the gospel category. And it's happening for us. Big shout out to Uncle Fee. He's been part of this fight and we're amazing and we are glad and happy about this win.
I'll tell you what, Scott, I'm rooting for you. Who can I call? Who can I call? Who can I call? Reggie? Who can you call?
Well, Bliss, I'll tell you what, you can definitely call on me every single time. Now, they say men in black are mostly dangerous. I don't know how true that is, but maybe Chief One can confirm that. Is it true? That men in black are dangerous?
Yeah.
You're dangerous? Do I need to move away? Oh, it's a good kind of dangerous.
Yes, humble one, of course. Yeah.
Well, who inspired your outfit and who actually made it?
This from Ariam AY clothing from my lunch, The design is very dull like this. That's all. Yeah.
You want to do a 360 for me? Let's just see the full outfit. Nice. I love it. Yes. Okay, I definitely will watch you. What are your expectations for the evening?
I'm just here to, witness a great music. Ghana music, they are trying already. Even though this year I never found, but I'm here to support Ghana music. That's all.
Well, you did mention support. Who are you here to support? Which artists?
I'm supporting everybody, all the nominees. They qualify. That's the main reason why they are there. So I'm just here to support them. And I never come here alone. I came with my friend Lakieke all the way from Nigeria, Emo State, just to witness how Ghana music rolling. Yeah.
Our musicians are always very diplomatic with their answers. Thank you so much, Chief One, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. God bless you too. God bless you too. Well, Bliss, should I throw some of that blessing your way?
Absolutely. I
Take
love
all
Chief
the
One,
blessing then.
And talking about Chief One, here is Elombini, his promoter, and this is Omo Marani, the artist. Elom, it's been a while. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling good, as you can see. I'm looking bespoke, just like you.
Yeah, man. Tell me about your new artist.
He is Omo Marani, and I'm a liaison officer when it comes to artists, both veteran artists and young artists. And Chief Wanda got interviewed just a while ago was my product. So the next one they should look out for is Omo Marani and a lot more, because if we are building new artists every time, we have to create grounds or create rooms for the very, very budding ones as well. So I've worked across the length and breadth of everything. So that's it. So I'm not just a PR between the artists and the media and the audience, but between veteran artists and young artists.
What you're wearing tonight, my man?
I'm wearing my brother called Emma Creation. He put this together for me. Last year was the same fashion designer I used, so yeah. So he's been doing, yeah.
What are you, a rapper or a singer?
I'm a singer.
Singer. What categories are you eyeing next year?
I don't know, new artist of the year, something like that. Yeah.
Well, do you have any songs out now, an album out? What should we expect?
I have a new music out with Laruso. Shout out to Laruso. And then the title is Tote Mole. You guys should go stream it out. Yeah.
That's Yoruba. I'll tell you what, you're from Nigeria and you grew up in Keita. I'm from Keita and I grew up in Nigeria. So good to see you, man. Reggie, speak to the legend now. Let's hear you.
Listen, the legend is in the building. And guess what? I live for moments like these. Ochiame Kwame. I don't know if I should call you Ochiame Moses, Ochiame Pharaoh. Are we changing the name tonight? Because this look definitely needs all the spotlights.
Thank you. So tonight, I am Pharaoh. Yes.
Why Pharaoh?
Because, there's a new dawn. Africa is rising. Africa is kicking against neo-colonialism. And our identity is rising. And I decided that tonight, based on what is happening in Burkina Faso and what is happening in the world and what our president is doing against neo-colonialism, I decided to remind all of us that we come from royalty.
Totally love it. Who designed it? Do we have the designer here? I think we need to put the spotlight on the designer as well. And, just give him a round of applause for what he's done. Very beautiful. So you made this outfit?
Yes, please.
How long did it take for you to put it together?
It took me 3 days. Yes.
Ashame, so we are here for music. Obviously, we are celebrating our Ghanaian designers, which we just did. But we're also here for the music, for the people and the culture. What are your expectations?
As usual, mirrors, smoke, beautiful art. I'm really excited about performances. I want to also know who is going to become Artist of the Year. And then I hope to win maybe 1 or 2 awards myself, just for my shelves.
Which one is Daddy winning? Come tell me. Which one is Daddy winning?
All the ones he was nominated for.
Okay, well, we hope that actually happens and history is made here tonight. Thank you so much, Ochiame. Do you want to say anything before we go?
This is my first time being here. I've heard a lot about the TGMAs, and I know you guys won't disappoint. So thank you guys for giving me the opportunity to be here, be on the cameras and everything. So peace out.
Nice. A very bold young man. Thank you so much, Ochiame, and we wish you all the best. Actually, thank you so much, Pharaoh Ochiame Kwame. Well, Bliss, are you ready to cross the Red Sea with us tonight?
Because the drama, man. the drama. Okay. I have been joined by a gospel music industry legend, a woman I spent my teenage years knowing, Dinah Hobson. Good evening, and it's wonderful to see you. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling excited because at least for once we have the traditional gospel category and we also have the contemporary, the urban gospel guys are now also well recognized, and I'm very happy. I'm here to support my gospel act.
I'm sure you fought a lot for this.
Well, in a world where sometimes people think when you are in the faith industry, like you do things for God, sometimes people think that it's not business. But the thing is that we all need inspiration. We all need to praise our Maker. And so it falls an important part. And I'm so happy that I happen to look out for that.
I'm happy for you too. I'll tell you what, I know you're a board member of the TGMA, you're a board member. Congratulations this year. This is really awesome. I won't let you say much. Things are on time, things are moving nicely, and it's the good work you're doing in the back there. So congratulations and thank you so much. Legend. Back to you, Reggie.
All right, well, I can feel the Holy Spirit already because I've been surrounded by powerful men of God. How are you doing, gentlemen?
I'm fine. How are you?
Very well, very well. Please, you need to come closer. How are you feeling?
I'm excited. Sure, yeah.
What are you excited most to see and experience at the TGMA tonight?
I'm actually here to support the gospel fraternity. Yeah, sure. And I'm just anticipating the great performance from Daughters of Glorious Jesus and then Empress Gifty. Sure. Yeah, sure.
Well, I'm sure this will not come as a surprise to any of us, but I'm going to ask Ninoy to describe how he's feeling with a song. And obviously, we know he's going to do a gospel song. Am I right?
Yeah, you're right. So we could do, you did Diffy Diffy, right? Let's do Diffy Diffy. Yeah, because it will take an award. Yes.
Okay, so are we feeling like, Father, the universe you made?
No, give me the rap side.
And hey. No, how do you put me on the spot like this? Do you want to do the rap?
Another time.
Okay, another time. And finally, of course, your expectations for tonight.
I'm expecting, it's 26 years of celebrating Ghanaian music, so I'm expecting that we'll see more of this. I'm expecting that the gospel artists on bill, Empress Gifty, Daughters of Glorious Jesus will give us a great, amazing performance like they do every year. Last year, Nasid gave us that. 2 years ago, we saw gospel artists giving us that. So I am here to root for the gospel. I know the performance on the 9th, the gospel performance is going to be the best for the 9th, and that's why I'm here today.
Right. Well, I know they definitely will not disappoint, so do have a wonderful, actually a blessed evening. All right. Bliss, take it away.
I have been joined by all the members of the new school. Look at them. Easy Swag, everybody. DJ Wallpaper, Kylie J, Pit Vampire, DBJ, the sports agent. I'm going to put all of you on the spot quickly, but quickly, what are you wearing?
So I'm wearing Kwaku Mensa.
Ghanaian designer, obviously. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing my very good friend Kojo Man.
Oh, this is Ghanaian? I love it. Easy Swag. What are you wearing? Ghanaian?
Yeah, Ghanaian, 100%.
Looks like Gucci, though. Hey, Kylie J is rich now. Looks like Gucci. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling great. I'm having a good time here. The atmosphere is amazing. I love it here.
Love it. Pit Vampire, big songs you've made. Looking forward to making more. Is your artist winning the category tonight?
Yeah, definitely.
Who wins Artist of the Year tonight, in your opinion?
Kim Promise.
Who wins?
Kim Promise.
Who wins?
After what happened to Kiddy the last time, I keep an open mind for artists.
Hey, Kiddy, keep an open mind, my man. Who wins tonight?
Bim.
Okay, not bad. Reggie, take it away.
Okay, well, I have been surrounded by Empress Gifty and her wonderful husband, and I must say you look really, really beautiful. You look exquisite. Your outfit is so golden. I think this is actually a true definition of who you truly are because you have a golden voice and you have a golden personality. Empress, what inspired your look?
Nothing much, but I think my designer, Lash Laha, I told Lash, this is what I want. I want the Queen Esther, the golden woman, the perfect woman. So I just relaxed and I know Lash would deliver and she has nailed it.
Mr. Hobson, how are you feeling about your wife's look, please? Please come closer and tell me. I want you to compliment her. Make her feel great.
You know, my wife is very beautiful, bold, and I mean, it's on top of whatever she's doing.
I love it, Empress. Electrifying. Are you performing tonight?
Yes, I'm
What should people expect from you?
Nothing, but I just want to lead them to the throne room of grace because God has been faithful to us. And this year is 26th year of TGMA. So we are going to bless the name of the Lord through my ministration.
Thank you so much. And give us Noko sexy, Noko hot, Noko fire on stage, okay? All right, Empress, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Hobson. Whew.
Hey, listen, Reggie. If your swag is hard enough, you can make it onto the stage. Let me introduce to you MC Versace, Jupiter the General, and C. Rich. Good to see you, Jupiter. It's been a while. How you doing?
I'm all right. I'm around, you know what I'm saying? Putting in the works as usual, bro.
Putting in work. Thank you so much. Who are you supporting tonight?
Myself, obviously. I think I had 2 nominations, Dancehall Song and Dancehall Artist of the Year. And then aside from that, Artist of the Year, Kim Promise, hands down, you know what I mean?
Oh, man, you just showed your support there. C. Rich, who wins tonight? Artist of the Year?
Kim Promise.
Oh, MC Versace. What is this boot saying? What does it say? It says Balenciaga. All right, man. Listen, Reggie, that's all I need to hear. Thank you, MC Versace. That's all I need to hear. Wow. Reggie, take it away.
When it comes to someone that is able to embody fashion, Ladies and gentlemen, she is the right person that my camera is actually looking at tonight. Rosalind, you are looking good. The body is bodying, the outfit is outfitting, the accessories are given. Rosalind, complete this for me. Tonight, I'm here to party. Trust me, when it comes to vibe as well, it's always check, check, check with Rosalind. But how are you feeling? Look, you need to describe this outfit with one song. What song is it going to be?
Oh, Sisi Fianibi. Oh, Sisi Fianibi. Check it out.
Ah, why is that person dancing? You are not part. But Rosalind, what are your expectations for tonight?
Well, I'm expecting, amazing performances. I'm expecting the right people to win. I'm hoping that I'll see Team Eternity winning through and through because I've been supporting them since day one. And so, so that's what I'm expecting.
All right, Rosalind, I wouldn't take much of your time, so make sure you have a wonderful evening. And I hope to see you in the crowd so we can vibe together. Bliss, over to you.
Yes, Regina, I've been joined by two distinguished personalities, the Backaway and a female vocalist of the year nominee, Lordina the Soprano. Wonderful to see you. We interviewed about a few years ago, and after that, you've taken your career to new levels. How are you feeling tonight?
Well, I feel great.
Are you confident winning female vocalist tonight?
Well, anything is possible. I hope I win, though.
Who wins Gospel Artist of the Year tonight, in your opinion?
Gospel artists, they all deserve it.
They all deserve it. Bako, good evening. How are you feeling? Clean swag. Who you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Hoshi.
Hoshi.
Ghana. Hoshi. Ghanaian, locally made.
What are you expecting tonight from the nominees and the show itself?
I mean, just to have a great time, explore the Ghana culture, and have the best people wins.
The Bako way. What are you wearing tonight? Very dramatic. Your whole team has to come and arrange this before we could speak. Who made it?
Ablade Dromo.
Ablade Dromo. It's a gun designer. Yeah, that's a lot of drama. That's a lot of drama. If we are ready to go back to Reggie, are we? Okay, we stay here for a minute. We observe this Lordina the Supremo dress a little, and then we take our next interviews. Then we would link up with the Lady Circle, one of my favorite shows on TV. We're going to go to them, and they're going to bring their own energy to the show. So stay tuned whilst we're waiting for the Lady Circle to set up, and we'll speak to our next guest in a moment.
Wow, Bliss. I can't believe you had Lordina
the Soprano. Hey, look who I have here now. Look who I have here now. Look who I have here now. Man, familia, wonderful to see you. Wonderful to see you. My G, cool down, don't stop. Time to cool down, don't stop. I love that song. How did you even make that song? What happened there?
It's a beautiful song I made in Atlanta because at that moment...
Wait, hold on. You made a song in Atlanta. You didn't make it in Ghana.
9. German New Becca said 9. Are you okay? Yeah, 8 years straight.
Looking clean tonight. Who are you wearing?
Then crown on Mase Chuchu Blema. Crazy guy here. He put me on, you know.
What should we be expecting from you tonight, Familia?
You know, say today, Peter will be coming on board. You know, Peter is climbing the platform. And so Ghanaians and the world should expect something, you know, refreshing and spiritual. And, you know, I had like 3 nominations, so I'm hoping I could back all of them or like maybe some 2 or something.
I'm rooting for you, man. That's a big song. That's a wonderful song. It's definitely going to happen. You know what I see on your chest here? Female hair. You can say, I can show it to you. You've been hugging a lot of people, eh? Familia, look at it. Should I show it to you? Hey, look at it. Look at it. It's part of the swag. I'm not trusting you right now, Familia. You know how good everybody. Thank you so much, man. Rooting for you tonight, though. Good seeing you. One time. Let's move to Esther. PSA, please come closer to me a bit. Whoa, this is drama. Absolute drama. Who made this outfit?
Sima Blue made it.
Sima Brew. By the way, how did you walk? Did you walk easily in here?
It wasn't easy, but you know, I have to.
Fashion is pain, huh? Tell me about the categories tonight. Who are you expecting?
I have been nominated for Gospel Traditional Song of the Year and also Best Gospel Artist of the Year. So I'm here to see what tonight has for me.
I'm rooting for you. Are you going to pick those 2 awards?
Who knows?
Are you invested in this Artist of the Year conversation? Do you have someone you believe should win that category? Tell me about it.
It is my prayer that the person that deserves it should win. I cannot mention one person, but what I can say is the person who deserves it should pick the award.
Someone like Team Eternity.
You know, I'm a gospel, so definitely I'm going to vote for that. Okay. Yes, for the gospel. Let me say a very big thank you to Oh My Hair for my hair.
Oh My Hair.
That's right. Oh My Hair to make my hair. And thank Blue, Oh My Hair, and the Keisha for my makeup.
Let's take a moment right there. Look at that drama there. Look at that. Wow. Absolutely interesting. Are we ready to go to the ladies' circle? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, stay with me. Stay with me. I want your drama to be a part of my link up to the ladies' circle. 4 amazing ladies on the other side, including my co-host, Regina Van Helvet, bringing their hits TV show, Ladies Circle, live to the red carpet. And so, I go to see them now. Thank you, PSC. Esther, you can walk gorgeously up, and then I go to see Reggie on the other side. Regina and
Bless
the ladies
King
of the Ladies Circle.
How are you feeling?
Wow, man, I had a wonderful time there. All of you look quite exquisite.
Do you want to describe our outfits each with a song?
Fire.
Uh-huh.
Adjuanuela, fire.
Okay.
This one, money green. Her money has come. So she don't call me no more. That's all right. That's okay. This one is I'm a princess.
Careful, careful there.
And this one is
Uh-huh.
the goddess. The goddess. Wonderful to see all of you.
It's nice to see you again.
I've always had dreams of joining the ladies circle.
Mm-hmm.
But y'all never invited me.
You know what we can do for him? Get him to
Yeah.
wear a weave.
No.
Get him to wear a very nice dress, some nice shoes,
Okay.
and boom, you're
Since
ready
y'all
to
would
go.
invite me to the ladies circle, here's my microphone, my dear. Have it.
Well, thank you so much for joining us on the TGMA red carpet. Of course, myself, Regina Van Helvet, and Bliss had to hold it down. And we hope that you had a wonderful evening. And also, we hope that you were able to spot some very lovely styles that you can steal from and then, you know, design something for yourself for the next big event. But ladies,
yes,
over to you. Ajwa, did you see some interesting looks? Okay. Yes. I love it. I love it.
It's giving. I want to know who's blowing you guys away. What have you seen so far that is just chef's kiss? Empress Gifty. Did you see that figure? Yeah.
If I had to describe it with an exclamation, it would be
Okay, but you know, when it comes to TGMA, it's all about the artist of the year. The category is always on.
We're going to do a hug, a little hug. Okay. How you
Hello.
doing? Should we bring him to the center?
Yes, come
King.
close.
This moment. The king has been,
come close,
surrounded
come
by
close,
the
come
queens.
close. Let's check you out. Look at the swag. Talk to us. The fit is giving. Let me give you some space. What is the inspiration behind what you're wearing this evening?
Draft day. We call it draft day.
It's draft day. All right, and you're getting drafted into the big leagues.
First team.
Today is the day.
Yeah. First team, first pick. You know, I'm just excited to be here. Had to look fly, as always. And, yeah, I'm a represent.
Who put you together tonight?
I did myself, you know. I actually, I had the idea. And then literally, me and my boys had to find the stuff. And yeah, I went to the mall before I came to Ghana, so I just go find everything. But this was made by my guy called Harry Cotton. He's from here, so it's custom made. Yeah.
We love that. And ode to our Ghanaian designers doing it big. Tonight is a big one for you. As you should. Karen's Kakra. It's a big night for you, King Promise. Everybody wants to know, how excited are you? How ready are you for the night?
As you can tell, I'm super excited. You know, my teeth is out the whole time, just grinning. But yeah, excited to be here tonight, excited to perform. I feel like I'm going to bring something we haven't seen before on the stage tonight, so that's exciting.
Are you the one that has that huge entourage? We had some Nkansah. There's somebody bringing a whole city up on stage. Is that you, King Promise?
My people showing me love, so that's beautiful. Everywhere I'm going,
like
just a
he's
lot
going
of
to be the
love
one.
and support. So yeah, man, shout out to my people in the back with me, you understand? Yeah, man.
We love it. King Promise is here, nominated for some awards, and the big one tonight.
Can I run away?
You can run away.
One last question. What happens if you do not win Artist of the Year?
It's not happening.
Okay, we'll never find out, we guess. But still joining us here in our little circle is our very own Queen of Ghana's Most Beautiful the last season.
We love it.
And we also have a Miss Malaika 2024 as a Queen season.
Oh,
you know,
looking good. Look at that,
dashing,
ladies.
bringing their crowns on, Queen Titiaka. Okay, please. Do me the honors. Come close to me.
Get a queenly wave, guys.
Yeah, let's do it. We do it like that?
Like
you
that,
got it,
right?
right? Wonderful.
You look so
Talk to us about your
dashing.
outfit. I love what you're wearing. It complements your skin so well. Who put this together for you?
The one and only Hey Jams. I'm sure you guys have heard of him. He's an amazing designer, and I absolutely love what I'm wearing.
Also do love. I'd like to find out what Queen Titiaka is wearing as well. You know, talk to us about that.
Yes, Queen.
Hi, I'm wearing hijabs. I'm also wearing hijabs.
Yeah, great. Okay, hijab.
Yes, I'm also wearing hijabs, who is a very creative Ghanaian designer. And as you can see, we are all glowing. And I'm even wearing my favorite color as well, purple.
And you look very beautiful. You look like the queen that you are.
Love it. But who are you looking forward to seeing perform tonight? Any favorite performances you're eyeing?
You know, I wouldn't say my favorites. I'd say that I'm excited for every performance, and I'm definitely here for the fashion. I love fashion, so I'm so glad that it's, you know, made in Ghana, and that's been my highlights of the evening.
I mean, we can see from your outfit that you do love fashion. Queen Titiaka.
Anyway,
are you looking
so
forward to
Titiaka, would you tell us who you are rooting for tonight?
I'm rooting for everyone. We are here to celebrate Ghanaian music, and we are here to wear Ghana and experience the lovely fashion that we have in Ghana as well. So we are just here to celebrate who we are.
Exactly. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Queen.
Thank you, Queen.
Thank
We'll catch you
you.
inside. Do have a lot of fun tonight.
You know, I think
All right.
tonight we'll see the queens get down. Lucille, she has some great skills.
The floor is yours.
Great skills. So I want to see you do your
you.
thing tonight. Thank you so much, ladies, for joining us on the stage. Woo.
We just spoke about fashion and we were shocked. You know, they just threw that on us right here. And so there's a lot of fun that we're going to be having. But we have the honor of, you know, having a very wonderful lady join us. Regina, would you tell us who's joining us? Regina.
Anyway, so my question is, do we have an ambulance like on standby?
We do, we do actually indeed have an ambulance standing by. Thank you so much, Ghana Ambulance Service. And we need them here. It's sizzling hot. Anything can happen. Shout out to the ambulance service.
I see
They
some
have
beauty.
the medics right here.
Yeah, what'd you say?
The Ghana ambulance, the medics
Oh
are
yeah,
here.
oh yeah,
It
they're
makes
here.
things
They're
get
here.
extra hot.
Yes. Well, speaking of hot, we have Mrs. Ayoade, and I'd love for her to join us. Hi, how you doing? Really beautiful.
Thank you. With an African twist, thanks to GTP style.
It's really given. Now, Mrs. Ayoade, this evening, people have said a lot of wonderful things about Charterhouse. You've been doing this consistently for 26 years. Why do you look surprised? The really, like, oh my God. The really, like, oh my God, it's impossible for that to happen.
Well, it's good to hear that good things are being said about us because we really do put in a lot of hard work. As you can imagine, I'm looking at this beautiful setup. And of course, I mean, thanks to the musicians of Ghana who make it possible for you all to come out so dulled, so beautiful like this. And I'm looking forward to a wonderful night.
All right. So, I mean, since you're always backstage putting things together, what should people expect from performances, the entire show? How is it going to be?
Well, it's going to be as spectacular as always. And you know, our Ghanaian musicians never cease to amaze us. And they've got an interesting lineup, very superfluous lineup waiting for you all. So let's hurry this up quickly so you can join us in the auditorium. And I'd like to say a big thank you to GTP New Style for my wonderful African print. And of course, styled by February by Sewa.
You look dashing. I totally love it. To GTP for styling my madam. She looks fantastic. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We would love a twirl. Ooh! It is given. It's given. Love it so much. Thank you so much, Mrs. Sayuade. Regina, we have a legend in our midst. Oh, boy.
Tonight, who is not who? Right?
It's not who
It's not who just tonight.
No, tonight oh, boy, we still I think it's
Ladies, so guess what? 20 years ago, exactly 20 years ago, he won the Artist of the Year.
Come on.
In this same building.
Yeah,
I mean, how do you feel about that?
I know, it's quite nostalgic. I mean, in 2005, right in this hall, the conference center, I won Artist of the Year, Hiplife Artist of the Year, most popular song of the year, album of the year. It was 5 awards.
That was your year.
That was the conclusive album.
Oh, right. It's only right. That is
yeah, you know, it's 20 years already.
20 years.
I'm telling you.
Amazing.
I mean, that goes to say that the TGMAs have really done great. I mean, coming all the way from 1999 through till 2025, and it's getting greater every year. I mean, congratulations to Ayola, Teresa, and the entire team. You guys are doing great.
I mean, before we let you go, some expectations for tonight. What are you looking forward to seeing?
I mean, great performances. I'm expecting greatness. And I'm turning between who is winning Artist of the Year. But I can't do it. I see some guy just came here, so I'm not going to.
Indeed, but thank you so much and do enjoy the rest of your
Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me.
We do love a good sandwich right here, right? Because on my left, you know, he's giving. He wants to be comfortable, but he's showing fashion. You know, we're talking about
serious fashion.
Please, you need to give us the 411 on what you're wearing tonight.
433.
3.
Okay, so I'm standing tall. This is stand tall. Yeah.
But what are you looking forward to seeing tonight? I mean, it's the Telecel Music Awards. Are you looking for any specific performances?
Yeah, since I'm not performing, I will just lay back and enjoy the performances. I make sure I have fun. And, you know, I'm taking 3 hours home.
I was going to ask that, but thank you for adding it. So we'll be catching you in the crowd. Hopefully you're going to be shaking your body.
No problem. Yeah.
We love that. But before you go, Artist of the Year, top 2.
May the best win.
That was a smart one, but thank you so much to enjoy the rest of your evening.
All right, we have Mr. Drew in the building. Drew, how you doing?
I'm doing great, and you?
Very well. Look, if you had to describe your outfit with one word, what word would it be?
Simple.
Okay, now let's take it to the music. What song is going to describe this dapper, simple outfit? I think I know the song. Simple, my baby, simple. But you're not my baby, sadly. But Mr. Drew, your expectations for tonight?
Charlie, I'm just here to have fun. Just chill. Yeah.
Are you supporting anyone? Are you rooting for anyone?
I'm supporting everybody.
Okay, Mr. Drew, thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. All right.
Why me? But we still have some more people joining us. Listen. He's taking it easy, but he's giving. Give us details into your outfit because I love what I'm seeing. No, even if it is Miami de Couture, you have to tell us.
All right. So it's been a long day. You know, we sports journalists, weekends are the busy period. Plus, I had to be with the kids all day. So I just wanted something easy and casual. Just went into the wardrobe and took something.
Love it. But you know there's a very thin line between sports and entertainment. I mean, sports and music. So what are you looking forward to seeing tonight? Any favorite artists?
Yes, everybody knows I've been using my following to push King Promise. So it's our year. Last year we thought it was our year, but KP all the way.
Well, we're going to be finding out hopefully by the end of the night
Right.
today, but I'll leave you to go enjoy yourself and fingers crossed. We'll see who wins. All right.
Right, so look who we have here. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, this is Elvis Crystal, the broadcaster, an actor, and a voiceover artist. It's great to be here. Excited about tonight.
I must say you look very, very good tonight. Who are you wearing?
Oh, actually, this is from my closet. My wife says I should just look like this, so she styled me up. So big ups to my wife out there. She's watching. Yeah.
Right, so tonight is a big guest, the biggest night in Ghana music. Who are you rooting for Artist of the Year?
Well, for all the work I've done on the radio, played all their songs, I think I might have to narrow down to two, because I'm looking at Stonebwoy and King Promise, because on my radio show, on Asase Radio, we have heavy rotation of all these artists, but these two artists have got really strong presence over the years. So, of course, I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you so much.
All right.
All the best. Enjoy your night.
Thank you so much. Woo! Now this is just a tip of the iceberg on what you need to expect for the evening. I think so far it's been good. There's been glitz, there's been glam, but right now we're all eager to go into the auditorium and find out who will be performing for tonight, and of course who is going to win the coveted Artist of the Year. I just can't wait to see who it's going to be.
Same for me, and the performances as well. I can't wait to see them bring their A game. Every single one of them. It's going to be a beautiful night. So do make sure that you're staying tuned to TV3 because, like I said, we're giving you uninterrupted coverage right here on this station.
So, Angela, just before we go, I just saw someone who has walked in looking like a fetish priest. Can you see that?
Listen, we are not ready for tonight.
We are not.
We really
I'm
are
very
ready.
grateful that the ambulance service is in the building.
Yes.
The medics are here. We might
It's really
just
hot.
need their services
It's really
because
hot in here.
it's sizzling in here. It's all about the style, the sounds, and the stars this evening. It's Ghana's biggest music night, so we're expecting nothing less. Some 14 performances this evening, so we're gearing up. We're excited. We cannot wait to see what is in store. Of course, the categories are very hot. It's very close indeed when it comes to Artist of the Year, also most popular song of the year. Everybody wants their song to win, of course. Voting closed some over 48 hours ago. So, too late for you to vote for your favorite. Fingers crossed you've done enough to push your favorite artist and or song to the forefront. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us right here on the big, grand red carpet of the TGMA. My name is Regina Van Helvet, and I did this with the gorgeous ladies from Ladies Circle. So quickly, just let's wrap up with our names, and then we'll move straight to the auditorium.
I'll take it. Okay, I am Noella Donko. I was, honored to be here on the red carpet as well.
My name is Helena Pia Ampofo, TV radio presenter with Media General. Thank you to DMC Tailoring for putting this together. The Shaba Willy is Shaba Willing. Cannot wait to get into the auditorium to have a great night.
You should start rapping next year, you know? And I am Queen Teya. Ghana's Most Beautiful 2022, and I was so happy. I'm so glad to have been here.
All right, and on that note, thank you so much once again for being a part of the red carpet. We move straight to the auditorium where Na Ashoka will be taking over as the main host, of course, with AJ and Mr. Romanos. Ladies and gentlemen, please sit tight because we will be right back. Oh, and a very big thank you to our sponsors once again, to Telecel Ghana, of course, to Guinness, to Close Up, and the British Council. Thank you so much for being a part of the TGMA. We'll be right back.
Yeah.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, honorable ministers, industry stakeholders, fellow creatives. Tonight is not just about awards and applause. As we celebrate, let us reflect on the collective actions affecting the music industry. The frustration with copyright issues, the thin rewards from streaming, the lack of institutional support, and the constant hassle to be heard beyond our borders. These concerns are not new, but tonight they must not remain old news. As storytellers and broadcasters, we know firsthand the weight that music carries, and our partnership with Charterhouse over the last 7 years continues today with a greater purpose. We are not waiting on change, we are shaping it, from showcasing music talent on our platforms to supporting new creators with visibility and digital tools. We continue to stand with the industry, not just in broadcast hours, but in building legacies. Government support must go beyond goodwill. The time has come to strengthen copyright enforcement, invest in creative education, and provide the infrastructure that allows talent to thrive, not just survive. To the private sector, the business case is clear. Music drives everything: marketing, branding, tourism, and innovation. Invest in our talents not as charity, but as partners. Help build a sustainable music economy where earnings match effort and where growth is not tied to lag. Charterhouse and Telecel, your consistency in holding space for our musicians is deeply valued. But let's keep raising the stakes so that the artists we honor tonight can walk away not only with applause and trophies, but with opportunity and tangible rewards for their hard work. Let's build a future where excellence is not only celebrated, but sustained. To every artist, you are not only entertainers, you are business icons and change makers. Congratulations to all our awardees. Thank you.
So she's going to be joining Ava's Point. Yep.
This is the afternoon show, a live.
Is that so? But
A man or your man has fun.
One stage, one nation's heartbeat. As all the stars in Ghana align to celebrate the biggest night in Ghanaian music, the 26th Telecel Ghana Music Awards. Live, unfiltered, unforgettable with Kim Promise, Stoneboy, Kwaku Smoke, and Press Gifty, Kim Paluta, Penyah, Adina, Beast Trap, Titi Owusu, AEC, Molly, and more. The 26th Telecel Ghana Music Awards, produced by Charterhouse, with support from Guinness, TV3, British Council, Close Up, KPMG, Media Partners, and proudly sponsored by Telecel, Connected Energy.
Hello, Ghana. Good evening, and welcome to the 26th Telecel Ghana Music Awards, the biggest night in Ghanaian music. Tonight, we shine a glorious spotlight on the incredible artists who soundtrack our lives and carry Ghana's rhythms boldly across the world. For 26 years, you, our fans, partners, and supporters, have walked this journey with us. And from all of us at Charterhouse Productions, we say thank you. To our dedicated board and academy, our media partners, our trusted statisticians KPMG, Musica, and the Ministry of Tourism, Culture, and Creative Arts, we salute you. And to our amazing sponsors, Telecel, our headline sponsor, Guinness, our beverage sponsor, TV3, our media sponsor, Close Up, GTP, our fabric sponsor, and British Council. Your commitment fuels this dream. Thank you. And to you, our beloved musicians, we see you, we hear you, and we celebrate you. Your music tells our stories. It brings joy, it inspires movement, from high life to hip life, to hip hop and Afrobeats, and to traditional sounds. You are placing Ghana boldly on the map. May the drums never stop. But tonight, as we celebrate, we must also reflect. The visibility of women in music remains far too low, and this must change. Let us all, producers, promoters, brands, and artists, be intentional in championing female talent. We must collaborate, develop talent, invest in branding and training, and create spaces where women don't just survive, but thrive. In that spirit, we are proud to announce the Women in Music and Performing Arts Network, an initiative of the Charterhouse Creative Africa Foundation designed to support and empower female creatives. Tonight also reminds us of the power of Ghana's creative economy. This one event engages over 1,000 cast and crew, plus stylists, makeup artists, designers, caterers, transport companies, and so many more. Our industry is not just vibrant, it is vital to Ghana's development. We also welcome the Black Star Experience, launched by His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, and look forward to collaborating on its rollout for future creative experiences. And to you, all our incredible nominees, congratulations! You are all stars. And to you, our cherished audience, here and around the world, thank you for tuning in. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. We promise you a night to remember.
out there. Back by popular demand. Oh, we're gonna take them all the way back. Are we ready to set it off? Let me see one or two of y'all on your feet if you remember this song. Hey, na 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 na. I'm performing for those standing. I said, wherever the party today, we stand clean. Standing on the head, flex your I do. I know you. Put on for my kings and queens, we only find the time for the greens. Yeah, and come on, be a hobby, if it ain't money, we ain't cool. And by the way, I like to handle with the talent. Oh, you too, huh? So I holla at the landlord, make you really kill. And nowadays, whole city go crazy when I drop that fire. Oh, it's blowing up the phone, I don't need that. Hey, you know I mean that. The boy focus on the mind, hey, round like a villain. I see money I'm on out there when you know what we doing, chilling, what we doing. Wow, side to the ceiling. I'm only a million. I got my men and you're going to when you want chilling, when you want chilling. Hey, wherever the party day, he must have been clean and they come down for gazing. Can't get enough away. You know we live in here with the fire blazing. Always gonna cost you, baby. Don't it look like the boys fully start me, baby? That's the forges, baby. Come on. I used to I still did crashing all day and all night. Start on the studio like I'm on miners. Hey, and when we touch down, gotta give them something to hate on. You can't keep up 'cause you ain't the type. You can't be dreaming and you ain't fighting. I cry like a villain. Hey, I see money about now, yeah, when I know about it. How we feeling? How we feeling? You ready for more? Thank you so much. I go by the name of EC, formerly AI, and it's been love. Love you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, a round of applause for AEC. I can't hear you. A round of applause. That and tonight, the stars align. Tonight, the music speaks and history will be made. Ladies and gentlemen, Akwaba to the 26th Telecel Ghana Music Awards. One more time, a round of applause. Tonight, we're coming to you live across the nation on TV3 and also on Akwaba Magic on channel 102 on Go TV and across the continent on channel 150, also on DSTV. The Telecel Ghana Music Awards is proudly produced by Chatterhouse, the unstoppable Chatterhouse, the power behind the performance. And also it's powered by Guinness, by TV3, KPMG, the British Council, as well as Close Up. We'd also like to say a very big thank you to all of our global media partners. And this show is proudly brought to you by Telecel, connecting energies, connecting greatness. A round of applause for Telecel, please. Tonight is Ghana Music's biggest night. Tonight, we will see the legends rise. We'll see our music rise so high. We'll hear and understand and see a beautiful display of our culture. It's more than just trophies tonight. Tonight, we hear and tell our stories. our song, our sound, and everything that makes us truly Ghanaian. Tonight, we celebrate our music. I mean, take a look around the room. I see some of our greatest legends. It's giving chart-topping artists. It's giving music lovers, stylists, people who love and understand and are here to celebrate music. And it's giving, I think, my designer worked overtime on this outfit. Thank you so much, Pistis, GH, for always making me look so lovely on platforms like this. Now, let me see if I see anyone. I see anyone. Is that Kojo Black? Hi, darling. How are you?
It's a blessing.
It's a blessing. Now, you are going to be on this stage tonight, aren't you?
Yeah, I feel honored to be here.
This will be your first time performing on stage at the TGMAs.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
You know, once again, it's a blessing to be amongst all the icons and the big stars in Ghana, you know, and also all the musicians I've looked up to perform live. You see, it's a blessing to be here tonight.
All right, well, we're looking forward to seeing your performance tonight. Let me see if I see anyone else. Should I come this way? All right, I'm going to come back to you. But I also see some of our dignitaries in the house, some of our ministers of state, our VIPs, the people who sign the checks, so that every year we're able to bring you the Telecel Ghana Music Awards. I see Madame Patricia. Hi. Oh, wait, did I? Oh, there you are. Hi. How you doing?
Well, thank you.
And thank you so much for always making this possible and for making this happen every year. I understand you have a very special message for us tonight.
This is the 14th year celebrating Ghana music. We're very proud as Telecel and Telecel Group to be part of this. And so we wish the artists, the nominees, a very happy celebration this evening and the best of luck.
Well, you heard her. The best of luck to all the artists. But we have an even more powerful message from Patricia and Team Telecel.
Welcome to the 26th edition of the Telecel Ghana Music Awards. Tonight, we celebrate music, the heartbeat of the nation, as we reward creativity and excellence. Telecel Ghana is proud to have associated with the music industry for the past 14 years. We have amplified voices, we have promoted culture. Let me congratulate Charterhouse for 25 years of event excellence and for making TGMA a beacon of brilliance. I'd like to also congratulate the TGMA Academy for the tireless work they put into this scheme and to the public for voting. Congratulations to all our nominees. I wish you the best of luck for this evening. Thank you for everything you put into your craft. Let's have an unforgettable evening. Welcome once again to the 26th edition of the Telecel Ghana Music Awards. Thank you.
This is a call to you. The dreamers. The ones that see no boundaries.
Dreamers take a chance.
The explorers that chart their own path.
Unlock the vibes, connect the energy.
The ones that dare to challenge the status quo.
Get connected, feel the
When others try to think outside the box, you wonder, what box?
catch the wave, enjoy the ride.
To the architects of their journeys. Every connection is an opportunity to explore every experience. This is your call to adventure. Your journey begins here. Be bold, be daring, be free. Connecting passions, connecting dreams, connecting ambitions. Telecel, connecting energies.
This is Ghana Music's biggest night, and it's great to see all the stars align, all our stars in the building, looking very lovely. We celebrate music, our stories, and our song. But of course, one question remains on all of our minds. Who will be the artist of the year? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Who will be the artist of the year? All right. We'll know shortly. We'll know shortly, but I can promise you nothing short of an amazing experience in this auditorium, or if you're watching us live on television, on TV3 or Akwaaba Magic, you're in for a very, very lovely evening. Tonight, we celebrate all the people who together make the music ecosystem, from the beat makers, the DJs, the lyricists, the vocalists, the bands, and everyone who puts in the work to ensure that music gets to us, to ensure that music speaks to us, and to ensure that we move a certain way when we hear the music that we love so much. It's a big stage. It's a big auditorium. And I see some of my Gen Z baddies in the house. Gen Z's in the house, give me a hey. Hey. Did I see Wesley Kessie earlier on the red carpet? Wesley, are you here? Our favorite Gen Z's, Amabrelland here? Gisela here? Give me a wave. All right, Wesley, I see you. And for those of you who are connecting with us via all social media platforms with the hashtag TGMA26, we see you too. This stage is way too big for me alone. So I'm going to be working tonight with some of my favorite colleagues in the industry. Over at our chat corner, I see my darling AJ Sapong and Foster Romanus. Hi, AJ.
Hi, Na.
Hi, Foster.
Absolutely
Hello.
amazing.
Thank you, AJ.
I had to borrow that.
Well, don't mind him. I don't mind him. I was going to say you look James Gardner.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you mean I look amazing?
Exactly.
Right.
Now, it's going to be an absolute incredible evening while we celebrate all the amazing melodies, the rhythms, the songs that have truly defined the past year and made our industry be set ablaze with much talent. From the breakout stars to the legends that are showing us that truly they are the greatest. This year, or should I say the year under review, has been absolutely incredible, and we are so excited to celebrate the artists tonight.
And also switching tonight or this year, 2025, isn't only about the 20-seat TGMA, it is also the year that Arsenal almost won the UCL. I mean, again, you know, yeah. And tonight, some artists are also not going to win the same award again. Some have already started saying, Momfa Award, no, mame. Me pe gabono. Gabono. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is going to be about who's, ours, disappointments, and also celebrations, but it's all fun. Let's just put this disclaimer out that everything we say here is all fun. No sentiments attached. So if it comes at you, I am sorry, but it's all for the fun. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, are you ready? Oh, I didn't hear you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, looks like our energies are not connecting. Let's connect it one more time. Those at the back, are you ready? Oh, so we have some Beam fans in there. If you are Beam, say Beam. If you are for King Paluta, say Paluta. And if you are for King Promise, say KP. Whoa, tonight is going to be awesome.
It truly will be, and whatever is happening on social media, we're going to be bringing it to you right here. We cannot forget how exciting the red carpet was.
Oh,
honestly,
yes.
I think Ghanaian designers all across deserve a huge round of applause because they truly came in style.
And you know, one amazing thing is the names that were on the carpet. Back then, you hear who is styling you here, Yesubewa and Samewu.
if you went to a Kremobetu and all, but now you can hear very sumptuous, delightful names. Like I am being styled by Royal Suit Groom or Royal Groom Suit. You know, this is a local brand, but you know the name. And who is styling you tonight?
Well, I have to say it's a proudly Ghanaian designer, Mr. Kels GH.
Wow.
This gentleman made this beautiful number in 3 days. A big thank you to you, Mr. Kels. As well, a big thank you to First Choice for my hair. They have been in the game for 25 years, making women look beautiful. As well, a big thank you to Polished by Pearl, one of the best makeup artists in Ghana. And a huge thank you to my entire village that have made me look so glamorous.
And you look like you were plucked from the garden of James Gardner.
And it's what? Amazing!
Yes, we are going to have an amazing night. And thank you so much. We look forward to hearing everything that's going on X and across social media platforms. But for those of us live here at the Grand Arena, the fun continues. We start with our newly awarded unsung act who has just signed a deal with Warner Music, and he's going from Ghana to the world. But before that, we need to ensure that all the awards that are presented on this stage tonight are fair, undisputed, and certified. And to make sure of that, I'd like to invite our audit partners, KPMG, to bring us the sealed results. Let's welcome them.
This is a call to you.
Hello. All right. Can you introduce yourselves to us and tell me exactly what's in that bag?
Okay. So my name is Osea Sensoentry. I'm with KPMG. I'll let Joycelyn introduce herself and then we'll tell you. Yeah.
Thank you. I'm Joycelyn Coleman, and we've got the results here. We can confirm that they've gone through the rigorous process, collation process, and we are glad to hand them over to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, KPMG. I'm glad to receive it. Do I take it? Okay. Thank you. I think it matches perfectly with my outfit tonight. Don't you agree? It's perfect. Thank you so much, KPMG. Thank you. I have the results here in this bag, signed, sealed, and delivered. And at this point, you would have to pray that your favorite artist is winning something because it's sealed, undisputed, fair, and certified. And I don't know how you guys feel about it. AJ and Foster, it's all here in this bag.
Yes, it is. And social media is buzzing on who could be winning what.
Okay.
But someone who has won something absolutely incredible. This particular category introduces us to the stars of tomorrow who are shining the light on them today. It has introduced a lot of incredible artists that have gone on to blaze the trail in the music industry, the unsung category. And this particular gentleman not only gets to perform on this stage for the very first time, but he also walks away with a brand new deal, a global distribution deal and marketing investment with Warner Group. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready, give it up for Yao Darling.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm the winner for Unsung, your favorite winner. Yeah.
Take you far, you are my superstar, and I feel that for your mom. Anytime when I pull up on you, so make a pull up on you. Now me see, no, or don't you make a pull up on you?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. One more. Your favorite Onsanga tease, winner, your darling. And I say, hey, whoa, hey, say, listen. Oh, I don't need any desire. I have you only you. Protect you like Mike Tyson. Rambo no fear you. Never letting go of you. Nobody near my baby. I ain't gonna believe in my home. I will give you my last candle. Oh, the Grammy for so Latino. Shaki my babado. Me, I will give you my password. Hey, oh, Shaki my babado. My love, I like you come from you know. Come to the center for you, do belly dance, come sit for me, baby, what they give me, teacher, you know say you get to move from my heart. Maybe what teach me, night and day, Canada from my head. You colonize my medulla, what in day your body. See, I'm on to those lost years. And bring me for so latido. Shaki my babado. Me, I go give you my password, my love. Hey, and bring me for so latido. Shaki my babado. Me, I go give you my password, oh, and bring me for so latido. Shaki my babado. Me, I go give you my password, my love. Yeah, and bring me for so latido. Shaki my babado. Me, I will give you my password, my lord. You don't know, you're darling for you now. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for having me. Yeah.
Please give it up for Yao Darling. Yao Darling. And he sure is on his way to becoming the darling boy of Ghana and Africa. Our unsung artist of the year. Yao Darling, join me over here.
Thank you.
Can we show some love one more time, please? Congratulations to you. We did have this conversation, didn't we? Some time ago. We're so proud of you. Well done. It's time for our very first award of the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite from the British Council, Mr. Nidodu Dodu, to award Yao Darling, our unsung artist of the year.
Hello, Ghana. Are you having a great night? Do you want to hear something about the outside category? Let's go ahead now.
Come. I'm going to send you, okay?
This is a gentleman that is going to get this special award. This award is so special, we all get to hear the name even before we get here and ahead of all the other artists. So please join me. Let's go ahead and let's invite here who?
Yao Darling. Congratulations.
Yao Darling.
Thank you so much.
A round of applause for Yao.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Chata House. This is a dream come true. Nyamiaye, I say Sky Entertainment. This is for our central region. This is the beginning of a greatness. Big shout outs to people who believed in us. My fans, my day ones, each and everyone who has supported this journey. Thank you so much. You're wearing him in the dorsal. Paul Ambantem, Messi Edikamfo, Medamasi.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Thank you for that. Thank you.
Congratulations to you, Yao Darling. And the unsung category is a very special category for young, amazing acts who have launched into the industry with good music, good vibes. We absolutely love them, and we encourage more and more young people to delve into the world of music. AJ, what's happening on X?
Truly, truly a lot of great conversation. As you would know, we're trending #1 on all social media platforms with a hashtag TGMA26. As well, people are letting the world know who they are rooting for when it comes down to Artist of the Year or some of the other notable categories such as Best New Artist and Telecel Most Popular Song of the Year. But we have another exciting performer, don't we, Foster?
Yes, and next up, ladies and gentlemen, she is the host of United Showbiz. She is
doing exciting things.
And she is dripping tonight, actually, and I can't wait for her performance tonight. But you know one thing about, you know...
I must tell you, honestly, I think she truly killed it when it came down to it. The gold. And honestly, I feel there's no sparkle left in the city anymore because all of it is gathered here in the auditorium.
She looks like an angel from heaven, and that's why I can't wait for her performance tonight. She is an embodiment of the gospel industry. And you know one thing I've realized about the gospel industry is that it has actually grown. You know, back then, before your gospel song could actually be a hit, you had to hold your nose. Oh, you didn't know that?
No.
So you hear, hallelujah, Jesus conquered the world. Hallelujah, Satan. You know, or you hear, Makume Rusia.
Oh, so that's the trick.
You know, Akoso Japan almost became a gospel musician, and then she gave us, no, oh baby, I'm stretching boy. Can we all sing it? Many Bokratebi. Oh yeah, and it grew even into Hiplife. So you hear Kwaku flick and all saying Kwakuni and Sekenie, you know. So ladies and gentlemen, coming up next.
Course, we have to also let our audience know that where we're seated is a little bit of history. Behind us, you'll find the different plaques over the last 26 years.
Oh, yeah.
From when it started off in this wooden element, where the music sign was dominant as it evolved into what became the shape of Ghana, then evolved into be what we now know as the true star that we celebrate, that we give to people in the last few years. We are all about the big night, celebrating, awarding all the incredible personalities that have been giving us back-to-back hits, because the melodies truly haven't stopped. But let's get into social media as well, and a lot of people are speaking on the fashion so far, and as well their expectations. Now getting into social media as quickly, and Kwame25A says, AJ and Foster, you two are giving us all the vibes. We're glad to know. People are also rating the outfits on the social media platforms. Now, who did it for you? Because the social media side is truly buzzing. And let's not forget, our red carpet was powered in many ways by GTP. We just might find out who is the best dressed male and the best dressed female. How about you tell us who you think it was?
And I can't wait for that. But ladies and gentlemen, as I was saying, up next is the host of United Showbiz. And she, as I said, was dripping honey. But tonight, she is also the wife of the man who says he hopes sin will never trespass, you know, his courtyard, especially if sin is wearing NPP colors. Ladies and gentlemen, that was just by the way. But with a round of applause, let us welcome the Empress of Gospel Music.
Yes.
Make some noise for Empress Gifty.
Thank you.
This is a call to you. The dreamers. The ones that see no boundaries.
Dreamers take a chance.
The explorers that chart their own path.
Along the vibes connect the energy.
The ones that dare to challenge the status quo.
Get connected, feel the
When others try to think outside the box, you wonder, what box?
catch the wave, enjoy the ride.
To the architects of their journeys. Every connection is an opportunity to explore every experience. This is your call to adventure. Your journey begins here. Be bold, be daring, be free. Connecting passions, connecting dreams, connecting ambitions. Telecel, connecting energies.
Does your toothpaste give you complete fresh protection? New Close-Up Toothpaste Complete Fresh Protection takes care of your 5 important oral care needs. It gives you strong teeth, prevents cavities, cleans deeply, fights germs, and gives you fresh breath. Complete fresh protection from Close-Up.
Thank you so much for making us superstars.
And you're welcome back. You're watching live the Telecel Ghana Music Awards. We're coming to you live from the Grand Arena, and we're live on your television on TV3 and on Aquaba Magic on channel 102 across the nation on GoTV and across the continent on channel 150 on DSTV. Now, we've seen some performances, we've enjoyed some good music, we've seen one recipient take his award. Now, we will begin to see all of the other artists who we have voted for in the various categories receive all their awards. If you're ready, I am ready to see who wins what. We start off with the Best Hiplife Song of the Year. And to help us present the award is a man we have listened to. I've listened to him for as long as I can remember. In the beginning, he was President Obuo, and then he became the president of Musica. And then at Ghana Post, he turned things around, and you and I could receive our post so easily. Tonight, he's here to do us the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, the very big round of applause. Let's invite Obuo on stage to present the award for the Best Hiplife Song of the Year.
The 26th Telecel Ghana Music Awards. Best Hiplife Song. The nominees are Soja Go, Soja Come by Eno Baroni featuring King Paluta. Rebel Music by Black Sharif. Bad Feeling by Tulenke featuring B-Strap KOTM. No Competition by Ochame Kwame featuring Kwame Eugene. No Sir by Sarkodie. Enter by Lyrical Joe featuring Kwame Eugene.
Good evening, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It's quite nostalgic to be presenting this award this evening. Exactly 20 years ago, on the stage at the Accra International Conference Center, one song that was quite big won exactly the same award, the Hiplife Song of the Year. That song was Kokontiba. Radio sa minim se osa nanso no ana mepe we bi so wa kire me ama me Nkansah mentio abua Kokontiba na wadane aponcheni. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the Hiplife Song of the Year is Bad Feeling by Tulenke featuring B-Strap KOTM. Tulenke, congratulations, brother.
Congratulations, Tulenke, Best Hiplife Song of the Year. Well deserved. Congratulations, Tulenke, Best Hiplife Song of the Year. A round of applause for him, please. Show some love. And if you're watching us live on TV, let us know what you think about all the awards presented on this stage tonight with the hashtag TGMA26. Well, he's a man of few words, or no words, if you like. Well, show some love, please. A round of applause for him. On to our next category, Best Male Vocalist. And this award will be presented by a woman who has put women empowerment at the forefront of everything she's done. First at the Glitz headquarters, and now in the world of politics. A round of applause for Claudia.
The 26th Telecel Ghana Music Awards. Best Male Vocal Performance, Do Not Fear by Kofi Noel. I will answer. Asida by Emmanuel Judah. Akwondin Fufro by MOG Music. Can I Live by ABC.
I should need no applause for this, and the attention I don't lie.
Oba Wamba by Joe Metal.
You are the great and mighty God. Your kingdom reigns forever and ever.
Congratulations to Charterhouse 26 years and Telecel Ghana for supporting our creative industry. The winner is Best Male Vocal Performance. Wow. Somebody that I admire a lot. Joe Metal.
A round of applause for Joe Metal, Best Male Vocalist, as he joins us up on stage. And Joe Metal is in the running for other categories on the stage tonight. One-time Artist of the Year, has many awards to his credit.
So Joe Metal is almost here, but on behalf of Joe Metal Ministries, we say thank you.
Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Claudia Kwating Lumor, for presenting that award. On to our next category, Best Female Vocalist. And this award will be presented by my sister, celebrated actress, entrepreneur, and the maker of wonderful shea butter, Kinky Matters. A round of applause for Lydia Forson.
The 26th Telecel Ghana Music Awards. Best Female Vocal Performance. The nominees are Defe Defe, Nana Isiedu of Team Eternity Ghana. Simply Trusting Every Day by Lordina the Soprano. I Choose Praise by Esther Godwill.
Through this fire, through this fire.
On Fire by Nima Africa. Nobody by Titi Owusu.
The Best Female Vocalist Award to be presented by Lydia Forson and the Swiss ambassador to Ghana, Simone Giga. A round of applause for them as they come.